At AWS, we're focused on continuous innovation in our data centers. We do that to improve our operational excellence, but then also to reduce our environmental impact. We employ all kinds of practices that we can to maximize our water efficiency, to be responsible with the water resources in the communities that we operate, and to reduce our reliance on potable or drinking water. Even in areas where you might not think they're prone to a drought, places like Northern Virginia, Loudoun County, we want to use water as efficiently as we can.
We look at direct evaporative cooling technologies for cooling our data centers. This approach significantly reduces both our energy and water use. In cooler weather, we can directly use the outside cooler to cool our servers. And in summer, when it gets hot, we use water to cool the warm air and then use that cool air to cool the servers. Now, in addition, we use real-time sensor data to adapt to changing weather patterns, also to optimize our cooling systems, which eventually help minimize our water use. We use on-site modular water treatment systems wherever we can. Water has naturally occurring minerals, and as we use this water in our cooling units, these minerals build up on the media and the pipes. So these on-site modular treatment units allows us to remove the minerals so we can keep using the water over and over and reduce the amount of water we use.
In each AWS region, we develop a water strategy by evaluating the climate conditions and then looking for opportunities to reduce our need for potable water use. One of our biggest opportunities is to use recycled water. Partnering with utilities is key to enabling our ability to use recycled water for cooling in the data centers.
We are really fortunate to be in the watershed environment of the Potomac and the Chesapeake Bay. And at Loudoun Water, we're really committed to protecting that resource for our community. We have an innovative program that collects, treats, and recycles wastewater for industrial uses like cooling data centers. We have several here in the county. And using that program, we've been able to reduce the amount of potable water used for those industry purposes.
In Northern Virginia, AWS was the first data center operator to use direct evaporative cooling technology with recycled water.
Sustainability is inherent in everything that we do, and so it becomes really important to work with data center providers like Amazon Web Services who share that similar ideal, and working with them with our recycled water program really helps to preserve the potable water for our community.
I strongly believe that Amazon Web Services is in a great position to be stewards in terms of water sustainability.
What we're doing today will impact generations far down the line, and making sure that we have strong businesses that care about our environment and care about our society is all you can ask for, not just for my county, but for the Commonwealth, the country, the entire world. A business like Amazon Web Services that's going to focus on the economy, focus on the environment at the same time. They are fantastic partners to have here in Loudoun County.
Water is shared by everyone. It's important that we maintain a healthy balance in the water cycle and that we do our part to use it as efficiently as possible in the most responsible way possible.